Hello guys, good morning from Besisahar. So today we are going to Manang. So we have already have our breakfast and packed our things. So right now we are waiting for our vehicle. So before I leave, let me show you how it looks outside at morning. We are leaving now.
त्यतिखेर चाहिँ कतिवटा चेन्ज गर्नुपर्छ। योभन्दा ठुलो ताल भन्दा न
Guys, we are right now at the Chame and we are here for lunch, and I want to show you all these beautiful falls. So we just had our lunch and also we witnessed the most beautiful waterfalls here in Chame. And right now we are going towards Danakyu. So yeah, let's go.
अब लमजुङको लास्ट गाउँ है यो चाहिँ। वर्षा लागि हजरमा हो यसलाई भन्छ बस काटिङ। हजुरले ढुङ्गा काटेको नि त हजुर।
म्यादी खोलाबाट क्रस गरेपछि लमजुङ छुटेर हामी मनाङ क्रस गर्यो।
So we have reached the Danakyu, and from here we'll have to walk a little bit, and maybe we will get a ride up there. So yeah, let's go. guys, I still don't believe that I'm going to my home, Manang. It's been more than 5 years, I think, and yeah, I'm on the way, but I can't believe it feels good. So guys, we have decided to walk till the Chame because the vehicle there was waiting too much, wasting our time, so we thought it would be nice walking till the Chame. Oh yeah, we are walking and we have some friends. बाजेको फिल्म खिच्न हो रे. लै भरि लै This is the first bridge we are crossing. It looks amazing. Okay, wait.
One second.
So we have been walking from Danakyu. It's been like I think 1 hour, and we have reached a village called Timang. You can see the mountains back there, huh? Have fun, guys, have fun. Life is short if you don't pay attention. Live in the moment, be present. Don't worry much about the future or the past. Yep, let me show you the Timang village. Banana banana.
चिन्छ हो अब फेरि झन् चिन्छ कि फेरि झन् चिन्ता हुन्छ बाउको नाम बनाउँछु के र जिब्रोमा त छु हजुर जिब्रोमा त छु तर नबनेको नबनेको
So that was Timang, and now I think it's gonna be Kodo and Chame, or maybe not, but yeah, let's go. I asked the local here and he said that it will take like 2 hours from Timang to Chame. So yeah, let's see. Seems like it is a little village called Thanchok. Yeah, not bad, very beautiful. In Manang, you will find many a welcome gate like this, and I don't know why, but they have always the three type of colors, and probably there must be a reason, right? Yep. Tashidale, Tashidale. I'm telling you guys, for some people this kind of pool is gonna be scary, but for me it's so fun. Wanna see down there? Not that scary. Woo. I'm pretty sure that there used to be a huge river there, but now it's a small one, sadly. Yeah. Yep. Let's enjoy what's left and save the planet the way we can. On the way to the Manang, you're gonna find this Marshangdi river all the way to the top of Manang. So guys, finally we have reached the another village called is Kodo village. So it is 5 p.m. right now, and we just crossed Kodo, the Kodo village. Right now we are very near to the Chame village. Yeah, so let's move fast. Yeah, we have entered the Chame gate.
Yeah.
I remember this place a little bit. That one is probably Dharmaville. If you don't know what Dharmaville is, then yeah, this is the Dharmaville.
Let you go.
So guys, in Chame we are staying in this hotel called Namo Buddha Guest House. It's beautiful. Yeah, let me show you around. So
हेलो, हामी मनाङ चामेमा छ अनि यो खोला चाहिँ मर्स्याङ्दी खोला हो।
hello guys, so the dinner is done. We have already have our dinner. Right now we are going to sleep. So this was the Chame's vlog from Besisahar to Danakyu and to Chame. So yeah, thank you for watching the video and hope you like it. Tomorrow we will move from here to the Manang, main Manang. So I will show you everything, so keep watching. Thank you. Oh bro, light nimo light.